Bye-bye, some haircut. Do it ourselves. Waste of time, waste of money, waste of my good mood. This is not to be taken lightly. This is to be taken seriously. Gonna make an outfit with glue. This is the basic pattern, a tank top. I just wanted to start with a bit of a simple shape. Don't like too much ooh anyway. Also me, ooh. And then, almost forgot. Let's start with the back side first. That way, if I make like a tiny little mistake, which normally almost never happens, nobody has to know. It's just the back. I'm clever. Don't tell anyone though. And as you see, I forgot to put the pattern paper in between. That was a joke. Wow. Is this how you view me? It's all part of a bigger plan. Just says, be careful. Well, that was the plan.
A few moments later.
You like to just turn that shit off.
When we up in the club.
Stick it in the bag. No, I'm not gonna make any what she said jokes. Except for...
That's what she said.
Disappears. Is it on? Oh, it does start to smell a little bit like glue. Well, that was the plan. So I'm making a movement that at first I wanted to call infinity waves that are not infinite, if that makes any sense. But it turned out soon enough that a much better way to describe it was simply the term chaos. So I guess this is something you have to have patience for.
A few inches later.
Oh my god, it's glued to the table. Maybe I should pay better attention next time when I see something on TikTok. Do a little test if I oil the table, if that is gonna be easier to get it off then. Is that clever?
Oh my god.
I think it works. Well, let's lube it up then. I mean the table. And you can use any, but if you prefer a strange lingering smell in the house that is slightly nauseating and lasts for a few days, then I'd recommend sesame oil. Attempt number 2, guys. The moment of truth! Okay, I need to tie my hair first. So we glue with the flow. So far, so good, except for... Not that easy. Oh my god, guys, I need all my concentration. It's looking a little rough, and I'm getting a little insecure, keeping the fact in mind that at this point, we all already know that I'm a fool, that I'm a joke, that my life is a fucking joke. I'm starting over one more time, thinking that I could do it better. Turns out, not really. I'm just coming to terms that this is not gonna be a polished piece, and this time, I will stick with it. See what I'm doing there? That was a pun. I feel like it's only a matter of time before saliva is gonna... drip out of my mouth because I'm so freaking concentrated. Wow, that's a weird flex. I went to the store to buy some extra glue sticks. That thing is eating glue sticks like a maniac. And then I realized that suddenly I sneezed and ooh. 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 And it was 2 days later. They always say there's 2 types of people, the ones that are learning by doing, and then you have the ones that do by learning. But from experience, I know there is a third group of people that just like, you know, no matter what happens, they never learn. Just between us, that's me. Hot it! Don't let the glue sit on your table for 2 days. I don't know what I was thinking. Probably I wasn't thinking. And I don't know what part of glue I didn't understand. But it sticks quite well. That's what I found out. I don't know what was going on in my head. I was just getting aggressive and I ruined it completely. I don't know, I just couldn't get it off. I don't think I would have ever, with the most patience, have gotten this off, guys. I mean, fuck. No, I'll cut myself. I think I have some issues. Starting over again. I'm gonna do exactly the same, except not exactly. Every time I finish a little piece, I'm gonna go in with my spatula, loosen it from the table. I don't take any risk no more. Life hack bonus tip, hot tip, that you can basically get the glue out more evenly if you just press in the back. When you use the press button, you constantly have to repress and it's coming out in this kind of... which makes it more uneven. Shooting it out like a shooting star at this point, not gonna lie, it's actually quite a quick process if you do not constantly procrastinate. Like certain people in the room, I don't say any names, but yes, it's me. I think I need a new table after this, but ta-da! Do I fit my head through this? Yeah. I don't have that big of a head, do I? Oh, I do. But there's a hole here for the big nose. I think that must just work. Gluing the shoulder seams together, shall we? Try to make this look as seamless as possible. Okay, you know you're in the fashion rack when things are starting to get completely reckless again! Being a little spontaneous again, but I feel like I was trying different kind of bottoms, like trousers, and nothing really matches with this vibe at all. I still really don't know how to style this. I feel like that extra length is gonna at least let the bottom and the top half flow over a little bit more in each other. Okay, let's finish this thing off. That sounds not good with a gun in your hand.
Many unbearable hours later.
And then, because I miss sewing so much, closing this side with some sewing thread. Well, maybe because it was a little impractical to do it with glue. Okay, my camera is going absolutely insane. I'm going insane. Everybody is going insane. It's a little different than what I normally wear, so I had nothing to combine with it. So I wrapped myself in a mesh cloth, this mesh top, and I hope it's just gonna blend in all a little bit. Let me know what you would wear it with. Don't forget to subscribe if you have enjoyed the video. And let me know what you think. Are you gonna glue your outfits this winter? Oh, and like the video. So I guess this is not the most practical outfit I ever made, so I guess I'll stay inside today. Fragile, but you know, keep it for special occasions, like where you just have to stand and smile. Met Gala, yeah. I know what I'm gonna wear this winter with the rising energy bill. Wipe it off with a cloth, you never have to put it in the washing machine. Glue, da-ba-dee-da-ba-die. Ooh, da-ba-dee-da-ba-die. This has just been glued to my table for 2 days and everything's smelling like sesame. What can I say? It was wonderful, honestly. I'm never gonna sew again.